Hi, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So if anyone of you are seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. Everyone have watched my recent video. If not, I'll just give it in the card above. Please do watch that and let me know how it is a little bit different from the ordinary track that which we daily go through. So today's video is about an educational perspective, guys. So this is out of my personal experience. So I just thought, so there might be a lack of awareness in everyone who is going through the same phase. So as I had to face this issue, so I thought I'll just give a little bit of awareness if it is possible. So if anyone who is not aware like me will also get know of this procedure and all of that. Okay. So yeah, so today's video is all about a convocation certificate. So what do you mean by a convocation certificate, or what is a convocation certificate? Yeah. So recently I had to collect my convocation certificate. I had some professional procedure I was going in through, and then I realized that I didn't collect my convocation certificate from the university yet. So my degree, I completed my degree in the year 2016-17. So since then I haven't collected my convocation certificate, which is also termed as an OD, which is an original degree certificate. Okay, this certificate is very mandatory if you are applying for any higher educations or any main entrance examinations, or if you are willing to go to abroad to work or to study or whatever it might be. This convocation certificate, this certificate named as a convocation certificate, is very mandatory. So this certificate has its own value as such. So I didn't knew that. Even I was not aware of this certificate, which was really bad luck for me, and I ended up in half of the way of that particular that particular procedure which I was going through, and I was stuck in between because I did not collect my convocation certificate. That particular person said this procedure can't be done as you don't have your convocation certificate. You have to note, guys, I have each and every certificate right from the beginning. I mean to say, from SSC till my last PG certificate, I have every single certificate with me. Even I also have the college provisional certificate and everything. But what they said is all these are given by your institute or your college, but not directly from the university. From the university directly we will receive a certificate which is known as an original degree or a convocation certificate. I'll show the specimen here. This is how it looks like. The convocation certificate looks like this exactly. So if anyone is not aware of this, please watch this video, because you might be in trouble in future if you are going for any future higher education, or if you are trying to go to abroad for any higher education or anything like that. This certificate is mandatory for all your attestations and every single procedure that is going to coming forward in your way. This certificate is mandatory. So this mistake which was done by me, I request each one of you to watch this, because you will not end up doing this mistake. This is out of my personal experience, guys. So I just thought to share my experience with you all as well who are not aware of this certificate. Convocation certificate looks similarly like a provisional certificate issued from the college. So once you are coming out of your college, the college will give you a certificate specifying that so and so person XYZ was pursuing this and this and passed out with first division marks or second class. They will certify, right? Similarly, that certificate is given from your college, though it is affiliated to OU or JNTU or whichever university it might be. This is in Hyderabad specimen I am speaking, guys. So if you are seeing from any other place, that particular university applies instead of this Osmania and JNTU. Okay. So yeah, so you will anyways receive a certificate from your institute or degree from your college or from your institute stating, given a photo will be there and the details will be written that you have completed your graduation from this college under the grade this and that. Bolke you will have a very big certificate given, that is known as a provisional certificate. And don't be in a dilemma, okay, once I have collected everything from my college, done ho gaya, that is nothing is left to collect for me. So yeah, I have received all of my certificates and nothing is pending from for me to collect. Don't be in that dilemma, guys, because I was in that dilemma and I had to pay for it very badly. Yeah, so once you are passing out of your college, immediately you will have to apply to your allied university from which you are educated, or your or under which university you have been. So you have to apply for your OD or convocation certificate to that particular university as and when you are passed out of your college. And once if you receive your provisional certificate, immediately apply for this convocation certificate, which is considered as a valid and a main certificate. Also, the name specifies that it is an original degree certificate. You will have to mandatorily collect that certificate, guys. So if you are not collecting that certificate, maybe you can run, your activities might be very easily or smoothly running in the short run, but in a long run, if you are looking for some higher education, or if you are willing to travel abroad, then this might be an obstacle. So after 10 years you realize that, oh no, I haven't collected my convocation certificate yet, then that will be a difficult situation for you to collect the certificate. So instead, do it proactively, and once you are receiving your provisional certificate from the institute or college from which you are passed out, after receiving that, go and apply for your convocation certificate. Because I was not aware of this, and nobody told me, not in my college, nor my teachers, nor my lecturers, nobody told me that, boss, you also have a certificate other than this, which is known as a convocation certificate or original degree. You will have to collect this. Nobody guided me, and I was not aware. Not even my friends. Only few of my friends who were aware of this, they have collected this. I don't know how. Maybe they are having their brothers or aunts or anyone who are working in the colleges, or not anything like that. So they might be aware of this. But other than this, trust me guys, nobody suggested me. I would say this is a serious drawback from all the colleges and institutes, where they are not guiding the students, stating that you also have another certificate. Once you are moving out of this college, you will also have to collect that certificate. I don't know how many colleges or institutes of the people watching, how many of you were aware. I don't know that, but I was not aware. Might be my mistake. If not, this is actually a mistake from the management side if they haven't shared this information with you. But in my case, I'm sorry, I was not aware, and not my nor my teachers or lecturers informed me about this certificate. So I was not at all aware of this, and I was in a dilemma that, oh, once I received my provisional and all of my certificates from my college, and I'm done, and that is that. I was in that stupid dilemma, and now I ended paying it very badly. So this is what happened with me. So this is in the case of a degree. Similarly, if you are pursuing a post-graduation or PG, for example, MBA, MSc, anything like that, so even then you will also have to collect your you will also have to collect your convocation certificate. Similarly, for a PG, for example, if it is an MBA or an MCA or MSc or whatever it might be, again you will be coming under some university. In my case it was JNTU, which was Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. So even then, even in my MBA, I was not aware, because in my degree, I have completed my degree. They have given me set of certificates from the college, and I was in a dilemma that, oh, everything I have received, there is nothing for me to collect. Similarly, I left after 3 years. After that, I immediately joined my, MBA, and there nobody informed me or nobody asked me where is your convocation certificate. Nobody asked. So I was happily completing my 2 years of MBA from there, and again I came out of that, particular college, and I started working. Even in my workplace, nobody asked me about this convocation certificates. They were happy with all of the certificates that was given by the college name under the. And trust me guys, I went 3 times to the college to collect my certificates, and I asked him continuously for 3 times, is there any certificate pending, or do I have to collect anything from anywhere? So that guy was, no, everything is done, nothing is pending, you have received all your certificates. I was like, okay, this guy is trusting so much, so I will not have anything to collect. I was happily surviving my office period. 2 years I was enjoying like anything. I did not realize that I have to collect convocation from degree and PG. 2 certificates are missing, which are valid and original certificates given by the university directly. I didn't knew that. And now when I had to, then convocation certificate came into picture. That guy asked me, where is your convocation certificate? I was like, convocation certificate, like anything, and he was saying, madam, you have to collect 2 of your convocation certificates. One is for degree from the Osmania University, and the second one is PG from JNTU. You have not collected, and that is the valid and original degree stating that you have completed your graduation and post-graduation from directly from the university. You will receive a certificate which is known as convocation certificate. I was like, completely broken. Oh no, I haven't collected my certificate. Will I get it now? MBA thing, I was at least having a little bit hope. Okay, this was recently passed out, so I might get it. But this degree thing was 3 to 4 years before I completed, and I haven't collected it. And I was really in a tension that will I get the certificate, or should I have to pay any late fee, or what will happen? Will I get the certificate? I was really in a very a bad condition. I was going through a bad condition, and I was cursing myself that how will I not knew such a certificate, such a valid certificate I am missing, and nobody was letting me know that, boss, you have to collect one certificate like this. Not even nobody, guys, nobody has told me about this. And unfortunately, even I didn't research much about this, because I was anyways having certificates given by the college. So I was in a dilemma, nothing is pending for me to collect. So this is what has happened, guys, and I had to pay some extra amount to complete the procedure. So now that we are aware of convocation certificate, so if anyone who is watching this video have not collected your respective convocation certificates from the respective universities, do apply online. You have the you have, if you are under Osmania and JNTU universities, you have the option to apply it online, and you will get it through the post at your doorstep, guys. So do apply. There is nothing going from your hands. Obviously JNTU has late fees, but Osmania University doesn't have any late fees, so you can apply it as soon as possible. So if anyone who has not applied from, if any old batch people is watching this video, and if you have not applied, you can do it now. And if any recently passed out people are also watching this video, you can also apply it online if you have not applied. And please share it with your friends and family, and make them aware that there is a certificate like this which we have to collect, which is a mandatory original degree certificate, which is completely valid. Okay, so this is what has happened, and this motivated me to take this video, because I thought I would share this with any of the people who are just like me. I mean, if anyone of you has not collected just like me and who are not aware, will definitely know this. This is a small information, guys. If you already know this, very good. This is very good information. If you had already known this, that is great. And this is for the people who are aware of this just like me, and instead of going into troubles, I would like to suggest you to collect as early as possible, guys. So you have particular websites. If you just you have particular websites and particular fees to collect your original degree certificate in the respective websites. If it is Osmania or JNTU or any other universities, if you just Google it a little bit, then you will get the particular website in which you have to apply. And JNTU, I recently applied. So for JNTU you have late fees, but for Osmania University you don't have any late fees, guys. So I think you also have convenience to collect it early as well in Osmania University. So you can collect it easily if you apply online, guys. You have to need few scanned copies of your original certificates, and if you upload as and when requested by the management, if you upload all of those required documents, then you can apply. And if you pay the fees, then by post it will come at your doorstep, guys. So it will come to your place by post. So that is a very good initiative taken by the universities. And yeah, that's all for today. If anyone of you have missed to collect your convocation certificate just like me, please do not neglect, guys. This certificate is very important and valid, as this is directly given by the university. So this is more valuable than your institute's certificate, guys. Please do remember this and keep it in your mind, and share it with your friends and families about this. So this is all about today's video. I felt to share this because I had a very bad experience. So I just want to suggest you, for those people who, if anyone have not collected this, guys. So yeah, that's all for today. If you're liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.